Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make progress bar in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last update, CapCut doesn't offer a built-in progress bar feature. However, you can't create a makeshift progress bar using text overlays. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, download and install CapCut from the Google Play Store if you haven't already. Now, launch the CapCut and begin a new project or open an existing one where you intend to incorporate the progress bar. Now, select the video clip, then tap on Add. Next, select the text tool on Add Text. Choose this symbol and input a sequence of numbers extending to the corners of the screen. Once satisfied with the numbers, choose the fonts option and search for the Jovial font. Apply it and adjust the spacing and the styles menu by reducing the character spacing to -5 to eliminate any gaps. Now, choose a color that complements the video and adjust the text duration to match the video clip's end. Now, duplicate the text clip. Reveal the duplicate using the Y-axis adjustment. And change its color. Reset the duplicate style and confirm the changes. Apply an animation effect such as blur raise left from the Alt Animations menu. Now, preview the video, and when satisfied, it's ready to be exported. While this method may not provide a perfect progress bar, it can still give the impression of progress in your videos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.